So as promised, I'm sharing with you the grilled chicken I paired with a no tomato jollof. It's such an easy recipe, so if you want to know how it was made, please sit back, relax, and then enjoy. Thank you. So my chicken has been soaked in lemon water for roughly 10 to 15 minutes, and this process helps remove any foul smell from the chicken. So I'll wash it off camera and I'll start making incisions. And when incisions are made, chicken tends to marinate properly. All ingredients used will be listed in the description box, so please check. Afterwards, I'll clean it again off camera and I'll start adding my seasoning for this recipe. So I'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of homemade marinade, which contains some fresh herbs, ginger, garlic, and then pepper mix. And I'll add some hot powdered pepper because I want it hot. Afterwards, I'll add 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, and I'll add 2 tablespoons of homemade seasoning. You can use your preferred seasoning. And I'll add 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, add some olive oil, and then lemon juice. So I'll gently mix everything up together, and during this period you need to make sure every chicken is properly seasoned. I actually marinated this overnight, but you can let it sit for 2 to 3 hours for best results. When I'm done, I'll cover it up with some cling film. So this is the next day, and I'll be using my air fryer to grill this chicken. You can actually use the oven and it's okay, it will come out perfect as well. And you need to be checking your chicken in between while grilling, but just look at the outcome. It turned out beautifully and was so nice. So we paired this with the no tomato jollof, and the recipe is on my channel. Do check it out. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. But if you do try this recipe, please give a feedback on Instagram or TikTok. I'm fully active. See you in my next video. Bye.